Welcome to our detailed comparison review of TP-Link's Archer A7 and TL WR940N routers. Let's dive into their key specifications. 1. Wireless. Both routers operate on different Wi-Fi standards. The Archer A7 supports Wi-Fi 5 with X1750 speeds, suitable for medium-sized homes with its 3 high-performance antennas. On the other hand, the TL WR940 utilizes Wi-Fi 4 with N450 speeds, featuring 3 fixed antennas for coverage in smaller spaces like 2-bedroom houses. 2. Security. In terms of security, both routers offer essential features like SPI firewall access control and IPEN binding. They also provide guest networks for guest access, while the Archer A7 supports advanced encryption standards like WPA2 Enterprise, 802. Onyx, and VPN server capabilities. The TL WR940 offers standard encryption protocols of WEP, WA, and WPA2. 3. Hardware. The Archer A7 boasts a Qualcomm QQ Gigabit WAN LAN ports, and USB 2.0 support, providing versatile connectivity options. Conversely, the TL WR940 comes with a single-core QQ, a 10100 MIPS WAN port, and 10100 MEMS LAN ports, catering to basic networking needs without. 4. Software. Both routers support essential protocols like IP4 and IP6 and offer management features through the Tether app and web interface. While the Archer A7 stands out with on-mesh support for network expansion and comprehensive parental controls, the TL WR940 focuses on essential networking features with QoS by device and DCP options. In summary, the Archer A7 delivers superior wireless performance, advanced security features, versatile hardware capabilities, and comprehensive software functionalities, making it ideal for medium-sized homes and tech-savvy users. On the other hand, the TL WR940 offers reliable connectivity for smaller spaces with basic networking features, catering to users seeking a budget-friendly option. Thank you for watching our comparison review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.